Hi there, Bank here. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your store fast so you can get started quickly. I'll focus on the important things first, so I won't be talking about stuff like how to add a slider or banner. I'll just focus on how to build a product landing page fast so you can start promoting your product. There are 4 important things you need to do when you set up your store. First of all, you need to sign up for GB Pro. I think you all already have a GB account, so this step is already done. The next step to do is register the domain name and set up the CNAME to point to GB Pro. You can check how to set up a CNAME with your domain name registrar. Updating your name server might take about a day. Then, let's edit some of the information in general settings. There are a few things you need to set up for your store, including the logo, favicon, email, and so on. Let me walk you through the general settings process. Okay, go to Manage Pro Store and click on your store name. This is where you enter your domain name and use the CNAME information you used with your domain name registrar. Here's where you add a favicon, logo, and store signature. Don't forget to enter your support and customer email addresses. Customers will contact you using this customer email. Then, enter your social media profile. I usually add my Facebook page. If you have other social media accounts, such as Twitter or Instagram, add them here too. They will appear at the bottom of every page of your website. Then, go to the Settings menu. You can see how I set up my store here. I set yes, no, yes, yes, no, 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 yes. I show 12 products on the page. You can create categories on this page too. Anyway, these are my store settings, but you can change yours if you want. You might want to add a slider or banner to your store. If you do, go ahead. Next, we move to Tracking Pixels. Let's click the Tracking Pixels page. What you need to do is copy the pixel code from your Facebook ads account and paste it here. You can also insert your Google Analytics ID here too. The code you insert here will be attached to every page automatically. Very easy and simple. Okay, now let's go to the Pages page. Your store should have some pages for Contact Us, Frequently Asked Questions, and Privacy Policy. You can create these pages here. When you create a new page, you can select the navigation position for the links to these pages. The page links will be shown on the top or bottom menu on every page in your store. Next, you can integrate email marketing into your store. Go to the Pro dashboard and select Settings and Leads. Currently, there are 4 email marketing services you can use: Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, and Constant Contact. I use Aweber and Don is using MailChimp. I don't think there's much difference between them. You can use any service you like. Okay, now go back to the Pro dashboard. Now you have to set up the payment options to receive money from your customers. Go to Settings and select Payment. Connect Stripe and PayPal. If you don't have Stripe, fine, no worries. Right now, I only use PayPal because Stripe hasn't provided service for my country yet. PayPal is fine. The conversion rate is still high in my store. Anyway, if you have Stripe, add it to your store too, so people have more options when making a payment. This is basically all you need to know about the general settings. As you can see, I don't change much. Just do the important things first. You can change some of them later. Get your store ready for the first customer order as soon as possible. Don't waste much time on adjusting your store. GB Pro mostly does everything for you. Now, I'll show you how to add a product to your store. There are 2 types of products in GB Pro you can create. The first is an on-demand product, which is fulfilled by GearBubble. The second type, private product, is fulfilled by you or sellers from other marketplaces like AliExpress. Let's try adding an on-demand product first. Go to Manage Products and select On Demand. Then, click Launch Campaign and select Traditional. You can select other options too if you want to create a different product campaign. For example, if you want to sell couple mugs for husbands and wives, then select Couple Campaign. In this case, I'll show you how to create a simple product first. A traditional campaign will have only one product on the product page. Okay, select the product you want. Gearbubble has many products, from mugs to freeform necklaces. Select the product you want and select Next Step. Upload the design for your product and enter the product details. Then click Launch Campaign. Now this product will be in your GB Pro system. What you need to do next is show it in your store. Let's go to the Pro dashboard again and select Manage Pro Store. Select Add Remove Products. Click Add and select the product you want to put in your store. That's it. Your uploaded product will appear in your store. Adding private products follows pretty much the same process. You need to add the product to the system first, then add it to your store. Let's return to the Pro dashboard. Select Manage Product and click Private. Then click Create Product. Then add all the product information, including a product image, price, and shipping. The product details here will appear as a pop-up when people click the item's details. Let me show you. It will look like this. You can leave it blank if you don't want it. I leave it blank for most of the items in my shop. After you've inserted all your product information, you'll have to add this product to your store. Do it in the same way you did for your on-demand product. Go to Add Remove Product again and add the product. If you want to add the product to a category, go to Manage Categories and select a category for each product. You can do this later after you have many products in your store. Next, let's add an upsell to each product. Go back to the Pro dashboard, click Manage Products, and select the product you want to add the upsell to. In this case, I'll add an on-demand product as the upsell for a private product. So I'll go to my Private Products page and click Settings for the product I want to add the upsell. Then click the Upsell button. Select Yes for the question, would you like to add an upsell to this product? Then I'll select the On Demand tab to select the on-demand product. I usually add a discount for the upsell because I want people to purchase my upsell product. I usually add a 15% discount for the upsell. I recommend that you add an upsell for every product you have because it will help increase the AOV or average order value for your store. You can make a lot of profit by doing this. Next, if you want to add a discount to any product you want for a retargeting campaign or a special promotion in your store, go to the Pro dashboard and select Manage Pro Store. Select Manage Discounts. You can create the discount code here and add it to the URL you want to offer a discount to your customer. Let me show you how to create the discount. I'll click on the Create a Discount button here. Then, generate the discount code. Insert the discount amount, let's say a 15% discount, then click Add Discount. When you want to use a discount code, go to the page you want. It can be the product page or any page you want. Then add $DID equals code to the end of the URL. If your URL already has another parameter such as $cart n and nav equals off, then change $DID to $DID and add it to the end of the URL. Let me show you how. It will look like this. You can use this URL in your retargeting ads or send it in an email message to your customers. Okay, these are all the settings I usually use when I create a new store. You can follow what I do first, and after you've run your store for a while, you can change or add anything, such as the slide if you like. First of all, focus on launching your store and getting results fast. The main thing you have to focus on is your product page, because it's the page you'll be sending traffic to. That's it for the store setup part. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.